Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Serve the one you love. Once you decide to be a couple, you're there to serve the one you love. To serve your love to your lover. In every kiss, you're there. In every touch, you feel you're there to please the one you love without expecting anything back. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 58. NASDAQ down 72. S&P's down 5.5. Gold contract down $3, trading at $12.79.30 an ounce. Silver down 13 cents, $16.37 an ounce. Copper flat, $3.06 a pound. Light sweet crude off 95 cents, trading at $57.42 a barrel. Notes, the 10-year note down 4 ticks, 124.09. 30-year bond down 2, 153.06. King dollar up 259 ticks, trading at 92.800. The euro is at 118.5 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 112.5 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Wonder what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get failure on price, failure on volume. S&P's gap higher this morning. Dow gaps higher. Can't hold price. You got the 266.80 today in the SPY. Closed out at 264.11. If we go into the futures and we take a look at the futures, what you're going to see, futures gave up quite a few points. We got a high in today of 26.65. We're at 26.37 right now. Bottom line, gave it up in spades. Now the danger here for the S&Ps, of course, folks, is that you have the high volume swing low from Friday that hasn't been tested. That'll get tested. That's 26.17. And from where we are right now, 26.17 will be pretty easy to get. You know, we came down 27 points from the highs to the lows out here today. The NQs almost made that price point, I believe. Yeah. So the NQs came down 130 points from the high today. We had a high out here of 63.91. You're at 62.64, and your high volume swing low on the Qs is 62.46. So you're talking about only 18 points lower in order to go after that high volume low from Friday. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract out here today, and we're in the 2018 future contract right now, the February 2018 future contract. Gold got to a low of 12.73. We rejected lower price. We closed out at 12.70. Where is she? 12.79. We haven't hit the swing low of 12.68. That's the positive. The negative on this, folks, is that what you have is that we're still at the bottom of this range, and we've been at the bottom of this range. Well, we came down off the bottom of this range, off the top of the range, about 7 days ago. But bottom line, I want to get out of the bottom. The reason being, the longer that you're at the lower end of this range, the higher the probability that you'll break it, as did the silver contract. The silver contract did break the range last week, and now the silver contract's going to have to build some cars in order to get back inside the higher range. Right out here today, $16.37. That's what silver's trading at. Silver will have to get back inside 16.67 in order to be back inside the higher range. It is testing swings, but bottom line, danger when you get in when you get to a different range, which it has. Let's go take a look at the TLT. Notes and bonds, they want higher price, lower yield. TLT, same setup, folks. TLT on Friday got to $127.69, had 24 million shares traded. Blew away the swing points from November and October. got into the swing point from September and had the juice into the swing point. Now, what that sets up a test of the September 7th high, which is 129.56. We take this and we put this on a weekly basis, and what you're going to see is that the TLT in general on the weekly basis not only looks like, it's going to basically get after this 129, but it looks to me like it's going to go for the highs of July, which is 143. So if that's the case, well, what the TLT represents is that is the 20-year Treasury plus. So anything and everything that's in it, they have to have 20 years before it's expiring. Bottom line, that is saying what? That rates are still going to be going down versus going up. And the amazing part about that, of course, is that what the Fed does do is the Fed controls short-term rates, bank-to-bank red short-term rates. They're going up. The next meeting is going to be next week. It's the 13th. The probability inside the Fed fund future rate is 98.3. So they're saying they're going up, but guess what? The market is still buying bonds hand over fist. So right now there's still more demand than there is supply. We go take a look at some of the higher volume stocks in this marketplace out here. What you had is you had Bank of America today up 96 cents. Micron Tech was down $2. Comcast was up $1.89. CVS Health, that was down $3.43. You had Microsoft. Microsoft got hit. That was down $3.18. That's going into a gap. Wells Fargo was up $1.19. Nvidia chip stock, that is leading the chip stocks down. That was down $11.02. You had PayPal off $4.33. You had Facebook down $3.63. We go inside that NDX 100, which bottom line, NDX 100 came off the highs once again, monster volume. You had Amazon down $28. You had Align Technology down $28. You have Intuitive Surgical down $26. Google was off 13, PayPal 12, Illumina 11, Adobe 11, Broadcom 8, Lam Research 8. Big numbers right across the board, running down those NDX 100 stocks. Looks like they want lower price. Dow Industrials finished up 58, NASDAQ down 72, S&P's off 6. Stay right there. We're coming right back.